What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now on this video we'll be finding the exponential indefinite integral of this function here. I hope you guys are ready for this one. So if you think you can find this one, you can pause the video and do it, and let's see if you're gonna get the same answer that I'm gonna get at the end of this video. But if you are new on this channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you can able to watch that video immediately. Alright guys, also if you want to watch other videos that I made on other chapters, you can go to the playlist of this channel and watch those videos there. I put them in sequence order and according to their chapters and groups. Alright guys, so let's do this one here. As you can see, they want us to find the integral of this problem here. Now this one here, we do have a function, we do have a coefficient of the function, which is 3. So if you still remember, when we are given an exponent function, for example like this one here, and then dx, so our integral is going to be y is equal to a to the power of n multiplied by x, then n divided by natural log a plus c. So this is going to be our formula. You're going to use this formula here. So just in case you don't know where this formula is coming from, you can go to this video that will pop up there. I explain how to use this formula. Okay, so now let's look at this. So if you find the integral of this, it's going to be y is equal to, now since we have a coefficient, so you're going to take the coefficient on the side and then you multiply with your integral. So this is going to be 2. Remember, a it's 2 and then n is 1 multiplied by x, right? And then divided by n is 1 multiplied by natural log 2. Remember, this is a, so the base, which is 2, plus c. So guys, this one straightforward. That's it. There's no any other thing to explain here or any other steps to go through. Remember, plus c, because these are indefinite integrals, and remember c also represents the constant price, right? So guys, if it so happen that this video helped you to understand, or it was useful, don't forget to like, and if you have anything to comment about, you can comment on the comment section. And as well guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the bell notification. And last but not least, if you want to watch these videos on exponential integrals, there is a playlist at the end of this video. Go and watch that playlist where I did videos on exponential integrals. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.